It's a beautiful morning to be alive once again. Welcome back to my channel. This is early in the morning here in Zambia.
Zilipo mwanzo.
Tumeorori. Manera nala kushtuka. Come. No, chill. Good morning, chill. Come on, Tres, so Zambia comienzo. Mambo kwenda. Hi everyone, guys. Yesterday I escaped death. Yesterday I'm telling you, it was one of the saddest moment for me, and the experience that I had to experience, I'm telling you, it was one of those experiences. If anything would have happened, you would have not seen this video, and that's why I'm here to tell you what really happened yesterday. So, you know, what a journey that we had, guys. It was one of the amazing journey, but also one of the sad the experience that we had to experience, guys, something else. Reaching home this night. This is why we do it. When we tell you to say, this is what we face, this is why these are some of the things that we really face doing this content. But I'm so lucky. I went to Kalulushi in a good way and come back from Kalulushi to Kitwe in a good way. If you remember, this whole week has not been my greatest week ever. In the same week, I did some content at a certain river, and I had to explain it on this channel once again. Somebody stopped me from crossing the river. I don't know if something were to happen there. And then again, I was moving from Kalulushi yesterday, coming to Kitwe. We drove very well from Kalulushi to Kitwe. Now from Kitwe to Ndola, that's where everything started. Like, I really escaped death, and that was one of the saddest moments for me. And I need to learn to listen to the spirit. I think so. I need to learn to listen to the spirit, because I was talking to the spirit, like, okay, the spirit was telling me something. The spirit was telling me something like, don't get into this bus. Don't get into this bus. By the way, guys, I'm in Mapalo area here in Ndola, Zambia, and like Lukus area. Now the far end, Newport. This is where I am right now, and I'm moving out of Mapalo area. And tomorrow I'll be in Mpongwe once again. So we were moving. The bus started so very well, like it started moving so well, and the guy who was driving the same bus, he was overspeeding. He was overspeeding, like, I don't know. You know, from Kitwe to Baluba, he had to overspeed. And I was really scared. I was really scared, like, why is he overspeeding? And he was moving like no man's business. And then, just before Baluba, there is that bridge as you're coming from Kitwe. There's that bridge where the river, Kafua River somewhere there. Huh? Kafua River, there's another one there. Kafua River is near Kitwe. Now there's another river somewhere there. The bus started releasing some smokes at the engine there. Smoke started coming out from the engine, and me, I was sitting in front, and there was the guys who are sitting in the second seat. They were guys. The third, they were guys, and we saw what was happening there. The smoke started coming out, and he told the conductor to say, tell everyone to open the windows, so that they don't need to know what is happening. But us who were in front, we were even talking about it to say, why is the bus smoking? The smoke started and the bus is running, I'm telling you. The bus was cruising like no man's business. The smoke started coming out. And then, that is the problem that started. Another problem. It started jacking, like the bus is cruising, and then it started doing like as if there are some humps there. So everyone was like, us who were in front were scared, but the people behind us, they didn't know anything. Like, this is what is happening. And the driver was like, we are having another problem with some tires behind. And he had to park at Paluba to check what is happening on the tires behind. He had to find that one tire has got a slow puncture. So, and he had to drive like slowly, very slow, I'm telling you. Slow from Baluba to Ndola. I don't know if he was moving at 40 kilometers, 40, I don't know how they call it, 40 kilometers per hour or whatsoever. Yes, very slow. Like, we were coming, you can imagine from Kitwe to Ndola, it's about 30 minutes or 45 minutes. Now we took like 1 hour, not 1 hour, 2 hours something, because we got into the bus around 17 hours, which is 17 p.m. And then from 17 until to 19:30, that's when we reached Ndola. And we were like, my heart was like praying, like I was praying to say, may God save my soul. May God save my soul, because I am the pillar of my small family. Those kinds of moments whereby you were not expecting what is happening. And I was like, on the way, like, but the Spirit told me not to get into this bus. And my heart was like, yeah, I really, okay. So that's how it was, guys. So yesterday, it was one of the amazing thing. Again, it was one of the saddest thing. On the side of being amazing, it was, I did some videos. I made some videos, a lot of videos in Kalulushi. And the second part is the saddest part. That is the part where I had to face those challenges. If that bus was to be burnt, let me say it was even burning, but because of God protected us from the accidents and everything, So this is the incident, and these are some of the challenges that we go through. You can say you are going to stop doing these kinds of content. You're going to stop to do traveling. But I'm telling you, I'm never gonna stop. Why? Because I love this. I love this. I'm doing this for you and me. Let me document my country. Let me document my areas. Let me document everything about what we have here in Zambia. So I'm not going to stop, and that won't make me fear. And tomorrow morning, I'm going to Mpongwe once again. I have to visit that place once again. There is a mission. There is something that I need to do there. So I cannot just sleep just because there was this bad experience. I'm going there once again to do another videos. So this is the story, guys. This is what happened yesterday, the death that I escaped. And like I said, the whole week I've been just experiencing like some bad things. You know, the boat guy told me to get out of the boat, and that lady told me to say, you are really blessed. You are really blessed, because if you would have gone back into the boat, maybe something might happen. And today or yesterday, something happened to me once again. And the whole week was like somebody was hunting my soul. Somebody was hunting my soul, you know. But I have somebody who is always on my side. I have God. You know, He always guides me. He's always near. He always protects me. So that's why nothing can happen, nothing can hurt me. And I will continue doing my mission on earth. I will continue doing everything that God called me for. So this is it, guys. This is what I had to face. So thank you for watching. Remember to like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, click on the notification button for you to get all my latest videos. And guys, for some of you who doesn't know me, my name is Timothy Hara, the masterpiece, and I'm out.